Hi mathematicians, it's Miss Juliano. Today we're going to be doing some CGI. Remember, CGI stands for Cognitively Guided Instruction. Cognitively means you're using your brain. Guided means I'm not necessarily telling you what to do. And instruction means I'm instructing you, helping you learn. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to read you a problem, and I'm actually going to pretend and do the whole thing just in case you forget and to help your parents understand what's expected of you. Then you guys are going to be working on your own problem. So the other day I was talking to Amrielle, and she told me she had some candy. But Amrielle's really generous, so she decided to give away 18 pieces of candy. Now she has 64 pieces of candy. How many pieces of candy does she have? To give you the story one more time. Ambrielle has some candy. She gave away 18 pieces of candy. Now she has 64 pieces of candy. How many pieces of candy did she start with? I'm going to now call on some friends to tell the story. Are you ready, Cinder? Yes, Miss Juliano. Ambrielle had some candy. She gave away 18 pieces of candy. Good job, Cinder. Now she has 64 pieces of candy. How many pieces of candy did she start with? Excellent job. Give her 2 claps. Raise the roof. Woo, woo. Okay, next friend. Hi, Leo. Hey, Miss Juliano. Okay, Leo, are you ready to say the story? Yes. Andrielle has some candy. She gave away 18 pieces of candy. Now she has 64 pieces of candy. How many pieces did she start with? Let's give Leo a roar. Roar. Great job, Leo. Now I have a question. Did Andrielle start with more than 64 pieces of candy, or more than 64 pieces of candy, or less than 64? You can do it at home with Shake, Shake, Show. Shake, 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 show. If you said more, let me hear why from one of our friends. Oh, it's definitely more, Miss Juliano, because Ambrielle had some candy to start, and if she gave some away and then has 64 left, it means she had to have more in the beginning. I think that's something to think about. So our answer should be Ambrielle would have started with more than 64. Okay, great. So then you're going to go back and do your work. Again, you're going to get a different problem than Ambrielle's. You're going to have a different problem than Amrielle, but it's going to be a similar problem type, and I'm just showing what would happen. So after you read the story a couple times, then you're going to get to work. You don't have to copy this in your notebook. If you're using a notebook, you can just write your name, the class, the date, and CGI. You're just going to show your work here, and you can draw or use numbers. I'm going to draw. So number sentence. So Ariel has some candy. I'm going to do a number sentence that matches the story first. So it helps me. She has some candy, and she gave 18 pieces away. And now, so I'm going to do blank minus 18 equals 64. Oh, this is a related fact, so I can make this an addition sentence. So I'm going to do 64 plus 18 to make this related. So let's see. So I'm going to draw this. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And I want to start with my bigger number because I like starting with the bigger number. You don't always have to. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's important to label them. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Sorry, that's a little hard to see. I'm using a fat marker. That's why it's important to use some pencils. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. I'm going to label 61, 62, 63, 64. Then I'm going to show how I add 18. I'm going to first draw. I want to label my work because it helps me check it and make sure I'm copying it right. So I'm going to do 10. We do this. 11, 12, 13, 14. This over here. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So now I want to add this all up. So right here I had 64, so I'm going to count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Actually, I want to add my ones first. So I have 1, 2, 3, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it'd be 9, 10. So I have 10 ones. Oh my gosh, I'm going to make another 10 stick because that would show that I had 1 10 stick and I have 2. So I have 2 ones. So let me add these 10s. So I have 10, 20, 30. I'm going to re-add. I'm going to show these how I'm going to add it more. Sorry that it's a little sloppy. I'm using marker. So I'm going to do, there's 6 10s here. I have 1 10 here. I add that 18. So this is my 1 10, 2 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, because this is my new one I made, new 10 I made by counting the 10 ones, and then I had 2 ones left over. So my answer is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82. So my answer is 82 pieces of candy. Now my number sense matches my work. Remember, it's 64 plus 18 equals 82. So I have 64 plus 18 equals 82. I'm excited to see what strategies you come up with for your math problem. I'm going to show you it really quickly. It's going to be, I'll read it to you once, and then you guys will get a chance to see it. Noah got some money. He spent $23 on a new game. Now he has $56. How much money did Noah start with? Have to start. So I'm going to show you this problem. This is what you're going to be working with at home, working on at home. Noah got some money. He spent $23 on a new game. Now he has $56. How much money did Noah have to start? All right, mathematicians, I'm looking forward to seeing different strategies you come up with to solve that. Remember, you don't have to use the same strategy I used. You can use any strategy that's helpful to you to solve it. If you're able to solve it one way, try to do it 2 ways. All right, mathematicians, I'm excited to see what you come up with. Talk to you soon.